was chief of medicine for, I guess, about 25 years in Washington Township. I joined practice with Mario Mays, who was last year's recipient, Peter Plumeri, who's a gastroenterologist, and Gary Agia, who's a pulmonary doctor. And as time went by, we split because of the changes in the healthcare environment, and went into private practice. I was in private practice until 2006, when I joined the university.
He's been important to this system at every level of his career, as a physician, as a staff officer, and as a board member. And there are a few people that have done all of that. And so I think the fact that he's getting the award is correct, appropriate, and timely.
He's been very loyal. He's always admitted all of his patients here. He's always used Kennedy physicians throughout his career. In addition, he's had a lot of positions within the hospital. He has been on the board of trustees of the hospital for many years, not recently, but up until recently. And he's always been someone that I think the administration looked to for guidance and as a liaison between physicians and the administration.
I'm proud of my family, my personal family. I'm proud of the way I've conducted myself with my patients. And I am proud of the fact that I've always participated in the growth of the institution in an honest and caring way.
Al is an effective physician because he's knowledgeable, and his interactive skills with his patients are superb, so that he establishes the kind of relationship that permits him to manage them correctly, and he does both internal medicine and rheumatology, and does them both well.
His practice was always stellar. He always took very good care of his patients. They liked him, still like him very much. And he's been a good model for the interns, the residents, and many medical students that he's taught over the years.
I'd like to thank Kennedy for their recognition of my service. That's a wonderful thing, and it's always nice to be appreciated. I would also like to thank the real light in my life, which is my wife. She tempers my impatience with some patience, and she is my beacon.
He's been consistently within the system, supporting the system at every level, as a physician, administratively, on the board. I mean, there's few people that have done all that.
I believe that we should always do our best, irrespective of circumstances, so at the end of the day, we do not look back with regret.